Good morning to you. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? I hope you're well today. I haven't seen you in a while. It's good to see you. I've been on a mission lately. I've been really trying to change things, really shift things. I'm determined to make the shift, just change my life. So the past 4 weeks, I have done something that I've been putting off for a long time, and that is to attempt to lose weight. And so I have a goal of a big goal. Okay, so the big goal is 40 pounds. And you're probably thinking, you don't have 40 pounds to lose, Ann. Oh, aren't you sweet? Yes, I do. But my small goal was, just to lose 10. And I'm at 8. And I did it in 3.5 weeks. So I'm pretty proud of myself. Yay. And I'm using a program called NOOM, which I like because it helps with the psychological aspects of it. There's a lot of articles. So I'm feeding myself all this information about food and nutrition and, health. And it's helping me to shift my beliefs about food. Because really, the whole thing is about food. I can exercise. I've always exercised. I am active. I do a lot of, I work out twice a week with a trainer. I don't find it hard to join the gym, although I haven't done it yet because I know that I just need to do little bits of it at a time. I don't need to just all of a sudden become a workout person. I got to take it one step at a time. And same with the changes in my diet. I'm not being overly, crazy, but I am, I'm on a roll. So I'm going with it. And, no alcohol. That's not hard for me. Once I get going on it, I had a cold, so it's really easy to quit drinking completely when I don't feel well. And so I did that, and I'm just continuing on that. And I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm going to give it a big break because it doesn't do anything but make you hungrier. Make you not make good decisions. And also, it's an appetite stimulant, and it's got a bunch of empty calories that I can't afford. I'd really just rather eat my calories because I love food. It's so good. But I'm starting to learn to like different foods. And so, I do love to go to restaurants. So I made it a real point to find restaurants that I can eat at that are healthy and nutritious and have low calorie options, but still enough food where I feel satisfied. So that is my latest thing. I wanted to share it with you. I highly recommend if you're trying to lose weight, get some support. This has a pedometer in it, a food diary. You must keep a food diary. It's really important that, it keeps track of the calories and the makeup of your food. They have like a color coding system, green foods, yellow foods, red foods. And I thought they were talking about like green as in green vegetables and yellow vegetables and tomatoes as red. No, that's not it. It's red means stop, green means go. So, I'm learning about that. I haven't mastered that yet because I do eat too many red foods, but I'm slowly starting to shift it, baby. So, that's where I'm at. And, if you'd like to join me, let me know. Make a comment below and, tell me what you're doing for your weight loss journey or your health journey. And what are you trying to do in 2019 to change things for the better as far as your health goes and your weight? Because I just want the biggest motivator, you need a big motivator for me. Is I want longevity. I want to live longer. I want to stay in my dance classroom. I want to keep teaching dance well into my 60s. And I'm 50, in my 50s, 50 something. Not telling. And I have some pain with my lower extremities. So my foot. And so if I'm 40, 50 pounds lighter, it's not going to hurt so bad to step down on my foot. I might even be able to jump on it. So that is a motivator. It's motivating. And I want to be around for my, son to have a mom to live a long time so that he can still say my mom who's still alive, Anyways, what's your motivation? What is your big motivator to either lose weight or get healthy or stay healthy or keep your weight down? I'd love to hear it. Post it in the comments below. Or if this is on Facebook, let's start a conversation about it. I'd love to hear it. You can hold me accountable. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm still trying. I haven't given up on YouTube. I really just keep making the videos. If I'm only talking to 40 people, 50 people, 70 people, 25 people, 3 people, I don't care. It's good for me. And I think eventually it might catch on. You never know. Okay. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time on The Morning Shift.